Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to navigate your Honor 600 Lite 5G without buttons. So, this feature is called gesture controls. You will not have buttons on the bottom, you will have this line, just like I do right here. So we can use the gestures like this. We can go over, select the apps right here. We can go over, close the app like this. We can also change the apps just by swiping on this. And to change it, we need to go over to the settings. We're going to scroll down until we see System and Updates. And here in System and Updates, what are we going to do is we're going to go to System Navigation. Here in the System Navigation, we can use three keys, which are the buttons. As you guys can see, they look like this, and it's pretty slow to use them. We can also change the combinations. We can add a fourth button right here to open up the control center, but we click to gestures right here. Of course, you got a tutorial on how to use gestures, and that's basically how it works. So as you guys can see, this is how the gestures are working. Gestures are actually amazing, and this is basically it for the tutorial. All you need is to know they can close it like this, you can go over like this. Of course, you can go over like this and change the apps by swiping right here. So that's how you guys can set up your gestures and navigate your phone without any buttons. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.